Hey guys, this is Dr. Vaghani. I am a pediatric dermatologist and I work in the Chicago suburbs. Lately I've been getting a lot of patients coming to see me with really bad rashes on their hands. And a lot of those rashes have been caused by slime, and it's been a little bit difficult to get some of these kids better and to keep their hands looking, keeping the skin looking normal and healthy. So my daughter and I have been looking for alternatives to slime, things that don't include ingredients like borax, glue, and contact solution. So we found this great recipe for putty today, and we wanted to share it with you. So I've got my assistant back here, and basically we laid out some of our ingredients. So here we go. Let's take a look. So Avni, can you show me what was it that we mixed together today?
So we used all-purpose flour.
Okay.
We used Morton salt.
You can use any kind of salt. Right. It doesn't have to be Morton brand. And then one of the special ingredients that we didn't really know a whole much about was this one called cream of tartar. Okay, so we added that all together with some boiling hot water, and we'll share the recipe with you in the comment section of the video. And then what did you do? You mixed it all together, right?
Yeah, so this is lavender. So you can put any scent in here.
The scent.
But we did lavender flavor.
So we did a scent.
And you can make this any color, but
not flavor, scent. But it's an essential oil. So, and you have to be careful with essential oils because too much essential oils can actually be bad for you as well. But we want to show you what it kind of looks like. Okay? All right, now Avni, I think what we're going to do is add the glitter. Yeah, we're going to add the glitter. So you can add any kind of glitter that you want. That's the one that we've got here. So go ahead and here, let me help you open it. Okay, and this is a really nice alternative to slime because the ingredients in here. Now, of course, you can be allergic to anything in reality, but the nice thing, I think that's good. The nice thing about this is that there isn't anything in this putty recipe. Now start mixing it around with your hands. There you go, yeah. That's going to be much of a problem for your skin. Skin in the winter on your hands can get really dry as is. So on top of it, if you add things like glue and things that kids get allergic to or have problems tolerating, it can make for a lot of rashes in the winter.
And the best part of this is if you put a lot of glitter, your hands get glittery. So yay!
So we hope that you guys have enjoyed this video, and we're going to show you the final product. Hopefully we don't fling too much glitter around the house. Okay, why don't you show them what it looks like? Okay, let's move our bowl. Okay, let's get up close so everybody can see what Look at that! Okay, put that there. Now show up close. Show everybody what it looks like.
Wait, let's see.
To the
camera.
Doesn't
stretch at all.
Well, because it's putty. And
putty
it's meant to be, this is meant to be a very nice stress reliever. So we hope that you guys have enjoyed our video. Happy putty making. Think of it as a nice alternative to making slime at home with your kids while you're all enjoying winter break.